All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the good folks over at Ghostek obviously looked out for your man Jay again on some cases, and we're going to go ahead and focus on the Galaxy Note 10 in this video. My version of the Galaxy Note 10 that I have coming won't be here until August 23rd, and the filming of this video is prior to it's not August 23rd yet. So I do have a dummy unit that I'm going to use for the purposes of just to show you how the case will look on the device. I really respect Ghostek's way they do their casing. This is just the packaging for their cases, just totally awesome. Been using this case for a very long time now on the Pixel devices. Awesome case. Presentation is there. Impact technology, so let you know it's all there. This is the Covert 3, obviously. So you will have some serious drop protection going on here. Lots of grip. I like this design here because I like the little orange in there, and I like how this just makes phones look. So depending on what kind of phone you have, or what color, excuse me, you'll be able to see shine straight through. So I like the easy slide out design that they have, and you just pop the case open like this. Got some branding here, and here are the Ghostek stickers. There they are. Let's put this aside and let's take a look at the case itself. Again, I will revisit with the larger versions. You can see here I have the 10 Plus, two different colors here, and I'll probably rock with this smoke one on mine because my phone is black. But we shall see later on down the line. But for now, let's focus on this version right here. Super small, nice. This is just one of the best feeling cases that you could possibly get for your device. And here again, Ghostek is doing it right. They got the precise cutouts. I kind of talked about this in another video where manufacturers have the larger cutout here. So I'm assuming there was some kind of design change with the Galaxy Note 10 at one point, and they didn't get the update in time. So popping the case on. Again, obviously this is a dummy unit, but this is just to show you how your phone would look if you get this particular case for your device. Now they focus on drop protection and comfort, and along this back part right here there's lots of grip. Very nice. It's really nice. It's a nice texture to it, so I think you'll really enjoy that. So when you're holding the phone like this, you've got some grip. Now again, the cutouts for the cameras, everything is nice and precise right here. All there. The camera is now recessed, so that's a good thing. Volume rocker and power button here. It's that classic design that we know and love from the Ghostek case right here. This Covert 3 is kind of a dip and raised buttons. Then you've got your ports open here on the top, and you got to make sure all your ports are open on the bottom and they line up perfectly. So this is a great representation of accuracy when it comes to a case for the Galaxy Note 10 and form-fitting factor. So you've got these little bumpers on the back here. So if you lay it this way, you've got protection, and then you've got a slight raise in the lip here on the top and bottom of the case for lay on the table design. So there you have it, folks. This case will work with wireless charging because, again, only time you should have troubles with wireless charging with cases is if there's some kind of metal in the actual case. But this case will do fine with wireless charging. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.